What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. It's been a while, guys. I'm back, and I'm back with a vengeance, okay? In the next video, guys, I want to talk about making money on the internet, making money online, working from home, and working from your computer, right? For you guys who've been subscribed to me, you guys have followed me, you know a little bit about my history. For you guys who are finding me for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, because you're going to want you get your hands on this type of information, okay? Now, one of the things that you should understand, guys, and I don't want to rush and go too fast, but what I want to talk about is one of the things that you should understand when you start talking about making money online and making money on the internet is having a high converting offer, something that thousands upon thousands of people are already diligently searching for, okay? A high converting offer, okay? Now, when you've connected with a high converting offer, guys, and there are thousands of them all over the internet, what you need to concentrate on after you have a high converting offer, now listen to me because I'm going somewhere, is techniques, tactics, and strategies that's going to strategically position yourself in front of the countless thousands of people who are already looking for what it is you have to offer. I'm going to say it a little bit slower, and I'm going to say it again. What you need to do, guys, once you've identified with a high converting offer, is you need to develop and start implementing techniques, tactics, and strategies that's going to get you in front of people, right? To position yourself in front of people who are already looking for what it is you have to offer. Here's a fact for you. Every single day, over 200,000 brand new people come on the internet looking for ways to make money online, looking for ways to make money from home, and looking for ways to make money on the internet. An example of some of the tactics and strategies I just mentioned that you should be tapping into are YouTube videos, Facebook ads, solo ads. The list goes on and on and on. But here's what I discovered, guys, over time, right? I spent countless thousands of dollars trying to figure out how to put the pieces of this puzzle together, right? You know, making money online. I'm not going to tell you guys how much I spent, but I can tell you guys when I finally learned, right, how to start generating income online, guys, what I found out was it wasn't really as complicated as I thought it was, or as I made it seem, because what I learned to do is put certain things in place. And I'm saying that to say this. When you couple a high converting offer with a sales system, a marketing system, maybe you guys heard of marketing system before, maybe you've heard of a marketing and sales funnel, you can call it whatever you want to, but when you can couple a high or put together a high converting offer with a sales system, right? And system meaning something designed, right, to go out and do all of your lead capture for you. And you're looking at a lead capture page right here, by the way. A system that captures leads, people who are already interested in what it is you have to offer. It not only captures those leads, but it also does the presentation, the selling for you. And it closes all the sales, it does all the presentations. It does all of that, guys, when you have this system configured the right way, right? So we talk about making money online. What do we need, guys? We need a high converting offer. Preferably, we need to tie that offer into what I like to call a marketing system, a sales system, okay? A high converting offer with a marketing system that goes out, it captures the name and email address, right, of potential prospects, people who are already looking for what it is that you want to sell, right, or what it is you want to share with them. It captures the name and address. Look down here, guys. It captures the name and address. And after it does that, guys, it redirects that prospect to the high converting offer. Now, you guys are going to get to see a great example of this tonight, right? And so today, I'm going to introduce you guys to a system that's going to actually enable you to start making money online, doing things that you already do every single day. I'm going to say that again. Today, I'm going to introduce you guys to a platform, a program that's going to enable you to earn money online doing things that you already do. You can see over there in the blue, guys. I say it's so amazingly powerful. It's hard to believe. That's not hype, guys. That's true. Now, anyway, here's what I want you to do, guys. I want you guys, and if you look over here, guys, you see to get instant access, I'm going to leave my website right below the description area in this YouTube video. You can actually see the presentation that I have prepared for you guys, okay? This particular capture page, my website's going to redirect you guys to a presentation. Watch this presentation, guys, with an open mind, okay? When you start thinking about the things that you do every single day and you realize that you can actually start making money doing things that you do every single day, and you're probably doing them for free. You're not getting paid for doing them, right? But I'm going to enable you guys, well, I'm going to introduce you guys to a system that will enable you to do just that. Hey, I got a special bonus that's going on tonight, guys, and I'm going to be doing that going forward, right? Again, I don't want to take too much of your time, but I'm actually giving away cash, guys. Can you believe it? Me giving away cash? Hey, look, check this out, guys. I'm just randomly, I'm going to pick a number for the 42nd person that responds to this video, right? Don't worry about the views that you see, guys. Everybody who viewing this video is not going to, they're not going to enter their name and email address. But for the 42nd person that enters their email address and get this information, guys, I'm going to give you $10 in cash. I'm going to pay it straight to your PayPal account. Why am I doing that? Because I want to give you guys a little incentive. But it's all winners here, guys. Nobody loses, because even if you're not the 42nd person to enter your name and email address into this field so you can get this explosive information, everybody's a winner, because you guys on the other side of this presentation, or should I say on the other side of the capture page, you guys are going to be presented with really, it's a real simple presentation. But when you watch it, make sure you understand the awesome power of what you guys can actually do. Okay, watch it twice if you have to. Okay, so there are no losers. 42nd person, $10 in cash paid straight to your PayPal account. There are no losers. Everybody wins, because on the other side, guys, we're going to show you how you can earn it. Hey, if you want to, depending on your work ethic, depending on if you want to get in here and dive into the training that you're going to have instant access to, right? You can earn, I got $500 a day of here on my page, right? But you guys, you earn what you want. You get to change this number over here to anything you want it to be, guys. But just know that you're going to be able to do it doing things that you already do. Anyway, I know talk is cheap, right? Because the supply always exceeds the demand. Anyway, it's great to be back, guys. Again, if you're finding me for the very first time, go ahead on and subscribe, like, share this video with somebody else. If you guys need to reach out and talk to me, you'll find all of my information in the video description, or the YouTube video description area. I'm so super pumped and super excited, guys. Can't wait to see you on the other side. Anyway, as always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the inside.